Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing and first impressions video. And today I have the MYMADHDI, if I'm saying that right, MP3 player. Another one, yes. Since the very first unboxing video I've done seems to be the most liked so far. So here we go. Let's pull her out. So there it is. Pretty traditional, no buttons on the front, they're all haptic feedbacks. Seems to be a little bit of something on the side there. Buttons, power, rockers. This is 16GB, but it is expandable with an SD card slot, and it's already on. Okay, cool. But let's delve into the box and see what else we get. So you get these headphones. Look pretty standard, but I've never seen so far MP3 players that come with this kind of design. Although, let's see if we can get in on that. So this says it's the left ear. Let me just try. It feels a little bit weird in my left ear. It fits quite nicely, but if I swap them around, it fits even better. So I don't know if they've kind of made a bit of a mistake with which side goes where, but yeah, this left one fits much nicer in my right ear. Anyway, moving on. You've got this USB cable, normal USB cable with a micro USB. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Quite cool little thing there. But it also comes with one of these. I've never seen one of these yet. It's a USB to micro USB, but female to male. I'm assuming that's so that you can plug that into your phone and then that into the MP3 player and transfer the files directly. Now, I have had these with Samsung, but I've never quite seen one quite as small as that. Samsungs usually go all the way down onto the USB itself. The camera's not doing a very good job of autofocusing today. So yeah, cool. Let's have a look into this. Oh man, is this going to be a map? Okay, whoa. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you can see how long that is, but that's really long. Let me try and figure it out without burning anything. Right, so it seems that all the English stuff is on this top section, so I'm going to try my best to show you everything. So basic functions include music playback, formats supported are there, video playback, again, video playback. Why is that a thing on little MP3 players? Record, radio, picture browsing, ebook reader, folder, alarm clock, stopwatch, Bluetooth function, settings. It supports a TF card slot or SD card, and input voltage if you wanted to know. We'll just go through all the pages just so you can have a look. Video recording, radio, Bluetooth, TF card. Does it tell us? Oh, that's nice. If you buy a TF card slot from them, you get a 10% discount. Cool. That's interesting. Image, ebook, folder, alarm clock, stopwatch, setting, frequently asked questions. Oh, there's more. Unable to download file. I'm assuming that means like copy files. Cautions. Do not hit this product seriously. Well, that's it, everyone. Do not hit your products. Do not touch chemicals such as benzene, thinner, and so on. I'm an engineer, so I know what thinners are. We use industrial paint stripper thinners. Cool. Yeah, I'll make sure not to dunk it into that. Anyway, enough taking the mick out of their cautions section. Let's move on. This was really badly folded. Oh well. Oh, sorry. Also get a warranty card. So fill that out. How long's the warranty for? 1 year. 1 year warranty. Cool. Nice. Okay. On to the actual MP3 player itself. Spent enough time on that user manual. Right, so... Oh, let's go back. So, this has quite a decent size screen. It's not touchscreen, unfortunately. Menu's kind of nice. Could be better, I guess. It's got this, like, grey bit at the top and black at the bottom. I think you can just pick it up on the video just about there. There we go. Yeah, it's alright. This is more of a yellow more than an orange that I think you guys are picking up. There we go, on the video there. I mean, it's not bad. I wish they would do something better with, like, text. I wish they could, like, bold it up a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer, rather than that kind of menu, horrible kind of text that lots of people use these days. Alright, let's give the music a little wazz. So this is a test MP3. And this does have a speaker at the bottom. Let's test what these earphones are like as well while that's playing. Reminds me of Celine Dion a little bit. Not now though. Oh, those are very, very tinny and lacking on a lot of bass. Don't know if you guys can pick that up on there. Not really bad, but maybe just needs a bit of bleeding. Anyway, let's just go back through the menus again. Let's try the radio out, see what that sounds like. See if we can get it. Ooh. So you literally have to press to go along. Cool. Earphones, they don't have anything special in them. I think it is literally just the antenna. There's no mic, there's no volume. There's literally just a wire. I'm sure this is a great video for you guys. I'm sorry. Signal is not great. Oh, there we go, we got something. Not as good as what I've heard though. Mono, why isn't it stereo? I do like this. Do you remember when everyone used to have a phone and you used to do FM record because it was the only way you could get music? All clear station. Oh no, that's auto tune. Anyway. Stop. Ah, this is annoying. Why do you have to go up to press yes or no? Okay, wow. All in all, I mean, the build quality is quite nice. Again, I think this is I can't quite tell. I think it's actually a plastic back. I could be wrong though. Doesn't feel very cold. With a nice rounded off screen up the top there. All in all, I'm sure it's a really good MP3 player. I don't think it would be the top on my list. I think I do quite enjoy the small form factor. The screen to body ratio is quite nice. There's not much of a bezel around that really compared to some others that I've seen. I'd question why the power and volume aren't a little bit higher. It is a little bit fiddly. doing that down here and then that on the top. But yeah, 16 gigabytes, it's a decent enough size, and then you've got that SD card slot expansion as well. All in all, it's a nice size. It's really handy. You can hold it really nicely. There is no lanyard strap, so if you're a person that likes to use a lanyard strap, then unfortunately this isn't going to be a great device for you. But yeah, that's my quick overview of the MYMADHDI even MP3 player. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And please leave any comments. If you didn't enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs down. I enjoyed your feedback either way. And thank you all, and have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.